Hello student, welcome back to my channel. In this video, today I will be discussing about journal and unique features of Phylum Arthropoda. In previous video, I have discussed journal and unique features of Phylum Annelida. In incoming video, I will be discussing about journal and unique features of Phylum Mollusca. So stay connected with me, and in case these videos are for you, if you are in class 11 Cbse and you have opted biology as your subject, these videos are useful for your school examination, board examination, and also for NEET preparation. In case if you are wishing to become a doctor and to crack NEET examination, so these videos are useful for you. So welcome back. Let us start Phylum Arthropoda. This is the largest phylum that include over 2/3 of all named species. So phylum Arthropoda is what? One of the largest phylum. Around 2/3 of all named species belong to this phylum, that is phylum Arthropoda. The animal of this phylum are also known as joint-legged animals. So sometimes the question will be there, which is the largest phylum of animal kingdom? The answer will be Phylum Arthropoda. How many species are in this phylum? Around 2/3 of the all named species are in this phylum. What is the common name of the animals belonging to this phylum? So that is what? Joint-legged animals. Joint-legged animals. Now I will be discussing about journal characters. First is what? Grades of organization. So here the members of phylum Arthropoda, they show organ system of body organization. This is a honeybee, this is a dragonfly. These are some of the members which belong from the phylum Arthropoda. They show what? Organ system of body organization. Symmetry. As per symmetry is concerned, they show bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means the body can be divided into left and half, equal left and half along a single plane. This is the right, this is the left. So along a single plane, they can be divided into two equal halves. Take any insect. So all the members of phylum Arthropoda, they show bilateral symmetry. Germinal layers, the number of layers present in embryonic stage, that is called germinal layers. So on the basis of germinal layer, these animals are triploblastic. Triploblastic means they are having 3 germinal layers: outer ectoderm, inner endoderm. Between ectoderm and endoderm, there is a cellular mesoderm is there. So this is ectoderm, this is mesoderm, this is endoderm. Silo means the cavity, body cavity. Here this cavity is formed by the splitting of the what? Mesoderm. Mesoderm is split, it becomes outer mesoderm and inner mesoderm. And between outer and inner mesoderm, there is one cavity is there. This cavity is called what? This cavity is called coelom. So these animals are what? Coelomate. These are animals are coelomate, true coelomates. Habit and habitat. Now I will be discussing about habit and habitat. They are cosmopolitan, means they are found all over the world in all types of ecosystem. They are present in all type of ecosystem, be it desert, be it snow-capped mountains, be in the depth of ocean. Okay, everywhere they are found everywhere, in the air. So they are cosmopolitan. Digestive system, they have complete digestive system. It has opening and mouth and anus. It is having two opening. Complete digestive system means it has two opening. One opening is mouth and second one is what? Anus. So this is mouth and this is a anus. This is a mouth, this is anus. So if you see the alimentary canal, there are different regions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. Foregut, midgut, and hindgut. So in the midgut region, there is special type of tubules called Malpighian tubules. These are the organs of excretion. Respiratory system. Here, in the member of Phylum Arthopoda, respiratory organs include gills, book gills, trachea, and book lungs. These are book gills of crustacean. These are the spiracles in the grasshopper, spiracles and trachea in the grasshopper. These are the book lungs. These are the gills. These are the gills. Circulatory system, they are having open type of circulatory system. Open means blood is pumped by heart into the body cavity. This is heart. There are tissues, organs are there. They are there in the body cavity. So they are not supplied with blood vessel. Directly from blood is pumped by a heart into the body cavity. So open type of circulatory system. These are tubular hearts. Heart is not chambered, it is what? Tubular heart. This is what? Anterior aorta. These are artery muscles. These are the chambers of the heart. Here, blood is known as hemolymph. Blood is just like hemolymph. Reproduction. As per reproduction is concerned, mostly these animals are members of the arthropods. They are dioecious. Dioecious means male and females are different. This is a female, this is a male. Usually internal fertilization. Mostly oviparous. Oviparous means egg-laying animals. Those animals which lay egg, they are called what? Oviparous. This is an adult butterfly. It is depositing eggs on the surface of leaf. So this is what? Oviparous, egg-laying animals. Development is direct or indirect. In some, there is a direct development, but in most of the arthropods, there is indirect development. That is, larval stage is there. So this is egg converted into larva, then larva converted into pupa, pupa is converted into adult. Now I will be discussing about the unique features of this phylum. So first unique feature is jointed appendages, means legs. They are having what? Jointed appendages. These are what? Appendages. They are jointed. These are what? Jointed appendages. Body has three regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The body is having three regions. This region is called head. This region is called thorax. Then this region is called abdomen. So body is divided into three regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. Body is covered by chitinous cuticle, exoskeleton. They don't have skin like human being, but they are having is exoskeleton, not endoskeleton, but exoskeleton, and that is made up of chitinous cuticle. Is for excretion, there are Malpighian tubules are there. These are Malpighian tubules. They have sensory organs or antenna. Compound eye, these are antenna. This is eye, this is what compound eye. They are having compound eye. As well as simple eye, they are known as simple eye, are also known as ocelli. They are having statocyst. Statocyst is what? Balancing organ. Like in human being, there is a ear. Ear is a balancing organ. In same way here, they are having what? Statocyst. That is at the balancing organ. These are some of the examples of this phylum. Spider, scorpion, crab, and prawn. These are the representative of this phylum. There are so many insects you may have seen in your surrounding. There are some insects which are economically important insect. They include what? Honeybee. From the honeybee, honey is obtained. That is having very nutritive. Plus, it is having medicinal value. Bombyx, from this is also known silkworm. Bombyx murray, from Bombyx murray, silk is obtained. Lacifer laca, lark insect, lark is obtained. Vector, there are some insect, they are vector of different diseases like Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, and housefly. There are some gregarious pests. Gregarious means they live in what? Very large colony. Pest means they damage plant. Gregarious means their colony is very large, sometimes up to 5-10 kilometers also. The locust, example is locust. There is some which are living fossil, like Lemurus. It is also known as king crab. So these examples are very important. You have to remember all these things by heart by practicing. So let us see characters at glance. So grades of organization is organ system, symmetry, bilateral symmetry, germ layers, they are triploblastic, coelomate animal, habit and habitat, cosmopolitan, digestive system, complete, respiratory system, made up of gills, book gills, trachea, book lungs, circulatory system, open type, reproduction, mostly dioecious, usually internal fertilization, mostly oviparous, development is direct or indirect. Unique features are very important. All are important, but they, in comparison with all these other features, these unique features are very important. Always remember these unique features of each phylum. So unique feature include jointed appendages. Body has head, thorax, and abdomen. Chitinous cuticle is there. Malpighian tubules are there. Sense organ includes antenna, compound and simple eyes, and statocyst. Some example, spider, scorpion, crab, prawn, insect, and many more. I hope that you may have understood the general characters as well as unique feature of this phylum. Like, comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get many more videos coming very soon. Thank you very much.